Have you ever wished there was a small corner of the internet where women like us, women over 50, and women of faith could build online streams of income without tech stress or salesy nonsense? Well, I've been building something like that. It's called the Income Builders Club, and it will be launching just before January 2026. And here's the fun part. The first 50 women who join as beta testers will get in for free. Yes, totally free. Now, before I spill all the details, I want to share with you 3 simple principles that every woman should know before starting a business online going into 2026. These are lessons that I've learned the hard way, and they can save you a lot of time, stress, and second guessing. So stick with me, and by the end, you'll know if this new community will be just the right next step for you. Let me take you back a bit. When I retired and sold my business, I didn't really know what to expect. I knew I wanted to go into learning digital marketing, but as a busy advisor selling my business, I had so many things to organize to get ready to hand over my clients to the new advisor. I really didn't have time to think about what retirement would actually look like. I knew I wanted a selective retirement. I wanted to be able to spend more time with my loved ones. I wanted to be able to work on my physical health and just to enjoy life while serving others and volunteering. When I started learning digital marketing, I really didn't have the skills. I was learning step by step through video and implementing as I went along, which was great, very easy to follow. And I had some computer skills. As an advisor, I needed to make notes on my clients and do different programs online, but it wasn't at all marketing. I hired someone for that. So as I was learning these new skills and studying all the things that were new to me, the thing that really helped me was community. Meeting with other people on Zoom calls and discussing where they were in the training, having other women to learn with and laugh together, that's really what has encouraged me and spurred me on the most. Community is the heartbeat behind this new Income Builders Club. Okay, let's get practical. Here are 3 key principles that I wish I knew sooner. Number 1, learn before you launch. There's this great temptation to just jump in and figure it out as you go. But I learned that proper training saves you time, money, and stress. But when you follow a proven system, you skip the overwhelm and move into clarity much sooner. It's like baking bread. You can guess at the measurements, but you'll get much better results the first time if you follow the instructions. The second point is build with purpose. Many people like to follow trends online, but trends fade. Purpose lasts. When you align what you're building with your values, your faith, your calling, and your desire to serve, it gives you a quiet confidence that people can feel. You don't need to shout the loudest to stand out. You just need to show up authentically. Number 3, connect to community. This one is huge. You cannot grow in isolation. The internet is overflowing with information, but for transformation, you need connection. Having people around you who get it, who cheer you on, and who pick you up when you hit a wall, that's what really turns learning into momentum. And that's exactly why I created the Income Builders Club, a place where women can earn and learn and grow together in a supportive, faith-friendly space. By the way, if this message is resonating with you so far, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm building this movement right here on YouTube, and I want you to be part of it right from the start. Every week, we'll be talking about faith, purpose, and building income streams online that fit your next chapter of life. All right, let's talk about the Income Builders Club. This is the brand new online community that I've been quietly building behind the scenes. It's designed for Christian women over 50 who want to create some extra income online, not by chasing fads, but by following a simple, sustainable path. Inside the club, you'll find encouragement access to step-by-step tutorials based around digital marketing, YouTube, and AI, live support, Q&A, and small wins that we'll celebrate together, and a safe space to ask questions, share stories, and grow at your own pace. And here's the fun part. The first 50 beta testers will get in free. You'll help shape the community, give feedback, and watch it grow alongside this YouTube channel. So yes, it's a ground floor opportunity, but more importantly, it's a faith-filled space where you'll be seen and supported. I think a lot of us reach this stage in life and wonder, is it too late to start something new? But I want to remind you that God doesn't retire his purpose for you. If he's stirring something in your heart, an idea, a dream, a desire to contribute or to serve, that's a seed worth planting. And maybe the Income Builders Club is where you'll find the soil for it to grow. If you're curious about the marketing program that I've been following, you'll find the link for the exact one in my description. That's where my own journey began, and it's still the foundation for everything that I'm creating. So whether you join as a beta tester or just follow along on YouTube, I'm really glad that you're here. Let's build something together. Something that creates income, impact, and a lot of joy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.